me some BMW brake pads for the front at the moment, so I'm gonna get these fitted on and basically get rid of that light that's in the dashboard. So as soon as I started my car, that's the sign that's come up, service. So once I flick on to, with this controller here, go on to service info, then this sign comes up. This sign basically means you change your front brake pads. Yeah, so that's the plan. So I'm taking it to a garage in the moment. It's my MOT. These guys are the people, man. Literally, they always help me out with like all my car stuff and needs and stuff like that. And with brakes, people probably ask me and say, why don't you like do it yourself? And personally, I've never done brakes myself, so I wouldn't risk sort of doing it something, especially if it's going to be something that I'm going to need to stop my car and it's really essential. So yeah, I'm going to take this to a professional to get it done. So it's my MOT that the people sort me out. So catch you there. Brembo brakes on here. So these are going to be the replacements. Now let's have a look at the difference. So we have these ones here, very meaty, and then we have the old ones. So obviously you can clearly see the difference, hence why the warning light came up on the car. So yeah, big difference. So pop these on and basically that should reset the light. Well, not really reset the light. What's going to reset the light is actually the sensor. So this is basically what we're going to need to reset the light in the car, which is the front brake sensor. So once we get that fitted on, the light should go off the dash. That's it. So basically, to get into the sensor is actually inside this box here. So you basically need to remove that. I don't know if I can show you how to do it, but I'll try and, there we go. Basically pull it like that, pull that out like that, and then basically you take that out, you unplug that, and you remove that, and you swap it in with that. But this is the old one now, so I've already replaced the sensor, so yeah, so you pop it back in there, and then that should basically reset the light. Yeah, so from doing that now, that should basically reset the light. So job done. Just need to put the wheel back in the car, and that should job done by SB, Smile team. These guys know what they're doing. So guys, thank you so much for watching the video. Now I'm gonna get on to modifying the car, I think, hopefully. Actually wait, I need to do the convertible roof and basically refurbish it. And yes, I'm basically gonna make it like, refresh it like brand new basically with the convertible roof. So yeah, I'm gonna get that done, and guys, I'll catch you in the next one. Peace.